We've been told the same thing since we were children. Stop crying. Be strong. Don't let them see you sweat. We treat tears like a sign of weakness, a lack of control. But psychology tells a completely different story. It starts with biology. Some of us are what researchers call highly sensitive people, or HSPs. This isn't a personality flaw. It's a measurable difference in the nervous system. While the average brain registers an emotional signal and moves on, the sensitive brain processes that same signal more deeply and for a longer duration. Brain imaging shows stronger activity in the insula, the region linked to awareness and empathy. You aren't just overreacting. Your brain is literally operating at a higher resolution. Why do we physically cry? It's not just a social signal. Neuroscience shows that emotional tears contain high levels of stress hormones, like cortisol. Think of your nervous system as a pressure cooker. Crying is the release valve. It is an active, biological form of self-regulation. When you cry, you aren't falling apart, you are effectively purging the biochemical residue of stress to restore your internal balance. Then there is empathic resonance. Highly sensitive people don't just understand what someone else is feeling, they mirror it. They feel the tension in a room or a stranger's distress as a physical tightness in their own chest. This is an exhausting, constant process, but it is also a superpower. It makes you an exceptional listener and gives you a deep, unguarded connection to the human experience. We need to stop asking, "Why are you so emotional?" and start asking, "Why do we value being unmoved?" The ability to feel deeply, to integrate pain, and to remain permeable to the world is not a liability. It is a form of emotional courage. It is the refusal to numb out in a world that pressures us to do exactly that. Does this structure better align with the style you are looking for? Or would you like to focus on a specific aspect of the science? Drop a comment.